what are the other things that come about frequently when we are doing civil workmanship quality audit?
As we started off with the discussion, there was a question, what are the aspects we check? Civil, electrical, and plumbing. In civil, as Divya mentioned, we check about the false ceiling also. So whenever we go into the toilets, we open a panel of the false ceiling and we just check. Sometimes there are cases when we open the panel, because we always suggest the client to have a 24 one day before the water supply to be there, so that we check the pipes are all full with water, so any leakages or dampness in that flat can be identified easily.